What up, what up? It's B613.
It's Ninja Charizard here.
We are
Army.Retro.Gaming.
And this is our computer build.
First I installed the CPU. It's an AMD FX 8350, about $120 Canadian. And then I loosened off the heatsink brackets that AMD provides and installed the CPU heatsink and tightened it all down nice and secure. Next I installed the Sniper Series RAM G-Skill 16 gigs, kind of suiting for Beast.
It is.
Great amount for an editing rig. Next I unboxed the Sigmatech 600 watt power supply. Perfect amount we needed, didn't need anything more. Got it on sale for like $50. And here's Cameo by Beast, helped me lift the case on the table. Prep the case for the motherboard. Get all the screws ready, because they didn't really come in a nice package, they're all kind of just thrown together. And there goes the motherboard. Make sure it's in there right, don't want it sitting on top of a screw or anything. Gigabyte 970A DS3P motherboard, works, it's got lots of ports and everything, all we needed. Next, stand the case up so we can put the power supply in. So, do some cable management later, but you always got to make sure you use all your screws. Don't leave anything extra just because you have extra screws. You always want to make sure your power supply is powerful enough for your graphics card and just what you want to do with your PC. Overpowered doesn't hurt anything, but make sure you have enough power or you're going to be wasting money on your power supply. Next I put all my power cables through so I could hook up the 8-pin and 24-pin connectors for the motherboard and CPU. Lots of cables and screws and bolts basically. Next I installed the ADATA 128 gig SSD that we got on sale for $70 on Amazon. It's a great deal, it's all you really need for an operating system, and we're going to add a hard drive later. 128 gig SSD is plenty enough for your operating system and a few programs, but if you want to add a lot of games and stuff, you're going to want a bigger one. Next I hooked up all the SATA cables for power and to connect to the motherboard, so everything works basically. Okay, for a graphics card, we chose the RX 460 Sapphire overclock card, because it didn't need anything overly powerful, but it really does help with the editing and rendering, because it will speed up the process. And it also did help that it was on sale. Make sure you push your graphics card in until you hear a click, but don't force it too hard because you don't want to break your motherboard. Next I hooked up all my power connectors and front panel connectors so we can use the front USB, and hooked up all the fans. We decided to get a case that suited Beast very well, nicknamed Skyline, made by DIY PC, and it was very nice to work in, and it came with pre-installed fans, which saved us a lot of time.